When in a city full of bright lights and even bigger screens, it can be hard to find a place to unplug from the world. I'm in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia's most populated city. Compared to the capital cities I've visited in Asia so far, it looks like a futuristic world. Big brands show their faces on every corner, and skyscrapers dominate the skyline. This is the case with many other major cities around the world, which leaves stressed out humans from America to the UK asking the same question: how do I unplug? Tip 1. Find a park. Buried in pretty much every big city is a lovely big patch of grass with benches. Go sit, catch your breath, and do some people watching. Tip 2. Make time for friends. You can try and convince yourself you're just too busy for a silly coffee with a friend, but the truth is, that silliness could be exactly what you need. Binge watch Netflix. Just make time for that. It's okay to do it. Tip 5. Get lost in a book. Make your way through the workaholic crowds to your favourite library or cafe, and just read. And these are just a few tips to help you unplug in a plugged-in city.